I just wanted you guys to kind of see the website. I'm kind of doing a couple of add-ins on it, but I still wanted you to see it. I'm probably going to edit it a little bit, but this is a website, Sapphire Physician Coding LLC Online Academy. And I just wanted you guys to see it. Some of you didn't get a chance to get it on the website because I DNS the website with the bookstore. I can also show you the bookstore as well, but some of you have seen the bookstore, but I want you to just kind of see what the website looks like. So this is absolutely quality education, and you can choose your course as to which course you want. Saturday is the start of a new class. We start a new class every Saturday, and that's just, registration. You can send me your registration payment through Cash App, or you can pay online with your registration payment. Okay, so here at Sapphire, we're literally trying to change the world. We're trying to change world education. We want people to learn a skill that they don't have to pay a lot of money for. Okay, guys? So that's the reason why we have Changing World Education and donate to the cause. And, we believe that, any type of donations, I don't give us a dollar. It helps us with books and it helps us with grants. And, this is how we're able to give the course for $199 because we get the grants for the course. I'm able to give you that $1,100 discount. So here we have free books right here. So you guys get a free language and medicine online book. It's free medical terminology. And you also get the free medical billing and coding Q&A book. Okay. Here is just an explanation of, what you're enrolling into, what you're going to get for your enrollment. That's what this is. So we definitely want you to take a look at this. Absolutely, because this gives you a better idea of what the program is about. I wanted to initially do it on the StreamYard, but the StreamYard, for some reason, I'm not sure how to do the screenshot or the sharing of the screen on the StreamYard. So that's the reason why I did it like this. The first one is Enroll in Sapphire Academy Online. We have 3 programs: an advanced program, a basic, and a transitional program. And basically, you learn different things. The advanced program, of course, you're going to get more with that. You get, all of the system, digestive, anesthesia. You get lab, endocrine, integumentary. You get all those things with it as well. Evaluation management. And, you guys still will use the CPC guide. The CPC guide is the book that we use so that we can study for the CPC. Okay, you guys can also check out aapc.com, and they have courses there. Their courses are like $2,000, but our course is derived from what they are doing to make sure that you pass the test. Okay, the classes that start on the 15th of the month, those are provider sessions that start with a webinar, and you get those sessions. You guys start every Saturday. And like I said, why me? Why education? Why me education is, we try to teach you everything that you need to know. No loans, no credits necessary. Of course, you don't need any credits. You don't need to go to college for billing and coding, okay? And, that's why, we chose to give back. If you want to sign up, you can also submit to me your email. And some of you that are on YouTube, you guys can submit that on YouTube if you would like. Which will be fine, because when I see messages on YouTube, I try to get right back at them. Okay, and again, this is just a little bit about Ms. Lambert and what I do, where I came from. Here you can download the digital courses right there. But some people do not want to download. Once I give you access to the Sapphire portal, you'll have a file there. You can see all of the courses there. You can actually download the courses right from there. And blackphoenix.com, Black Phoenix is pretty much a group of women, and it doesn't mean color or non-diversity. It is a diverse group of people helping people. It's anybody, and this goes for anybody. You guys know anybody who can help us out, who can teach one, send them to me. Let's put them in Black Phoenix Team Us. That's a group that I have on Facebook. I haven't been in it today, but I will be going in it as soon as I finish with this video with you guys. Okay. And again, it's a self-paced program. It's virtual e-learning. there's no micromanaging. You don't have to be there at a certain time. We just ask that you complete the work and submit work if we are giving you work to be submitted. Because I need to see some of the tests that I'm sending you. I need to see the competencies that I'm giving you, so that I can keep track of your progress. So again, you can take a look at this. I have 25 years plus in the industry. So I'm coming at you with experience. And this is, my life's work. I want to give this back to you because I think that for someone to have to get a student loan to do billing and coding, I think it's going to be a lot of money. And I don't want you guys to have to pay back anything. We're going to try to be a little bit more consistent on YouTube. I know there's things that I put on YouTube. Some of it doesn't have anything to do with billing and coding. So that's the reason why I move that stuff to different channels. Now I can't take it off of here because it'll take away my views. So you can just bypass those things. If you guys are here for medical billing and coding, that's what I want you guys to look at. Okay, so Sapphire Physician Coding, Changing World Education. This is actually on YouTube. You can look at this on YouTube if you like. Right now, I'm just pretty much editing the site, just kind of put some other stuff on there. That's why you guys see the edit and publish, because I'm trying to make sure that we have everything on there that you guys need. And if you guys don't, I will definitely put it in, okay? And you guys can see the pay scale for what's needed as far as coders, and definitely billers as well. So those of you who want to go to my website at sapphirephysiciancoding.com, those of you who are already here, you know my website, please subscribe to my channel. We'll try to come at you with more training. And just kind of like stay alert, because there's sometimes when I might go live like 7 or 6 o'clock in the morning. I know people are going to work, but there are also some people that's also home. So I want to try to get this out to everybody so it benefits you guys. Okay, so this is on the website. There are times, sometimes the website is stuck. I don't know if I'm gonna continue using GoDaddy, but it's all right now. But every time I try to get on, sometime I get stuck and I can't get on. Goes right to GoDaddy. So just take a look at this, and this lets you know what type of courses that we have. I'm gonna kind of go through it slow. Those of you who are looking at this, take your time and look through this. These are the course codes right here. These are the courses that you are in, prereqs. These are your core courses down here. You can take a look at these. I'm going to put it on the YouTube, so you guys will also get to see it there. These are lab and pathology. We know that's kind of tough. So, you guys get ready to get your coding books. Just get ready for a doozy with lab and path. Radiology as well. Eye and ocular, the course is 6108K. Musculoskeletal coding course is 61010. And I put the L and the K and the M just to make sure this stays in line. When you look at the courses in the bookstore, it doesn't have the letters at the end of it. Cardiovascular, these are the courses that you're going to be working on. So when you join Sapphire Physician Coding, you'll be looking, that's a jet. You'll be working on these, okay? So, sorry guys. So program checkoff list, you get that in your welcome letter, your essay summaries, test, quiz, competencies, you get a data sheet, webinars, live chats, your medical terminology book, your language and medicine book, that's it, okay? You get your instructor one-on-one, okay? If you guys want the billing and coding book, you can get it for $15.99. The terminology book, $15.99, and the Sapphire Physician billing book, $15.99. Now, this is if you don't join the class. If you join the class, this is all free. And this is just some more picks that I put in here. Actually, I recommended to put in here. Just remember, you are your teacher, because this is a self-paced course. And I don't do any micromanaging or anything like that. We have a 10-week, and then the advanced course is a 20-week. But if you spend the amount of time you should be spending on the advanced course, you should be able to do that course in 2 weeks. So some of you, I want you to do more than one course, because when you do one course, it's going to take you a little longer. So, if you can't do the course in 10 weeks, that's fine. There's no time frame. The goal is to finish in 10 weeks. You want to finish in 10 weeks. I want you to do at least 2 to 3 courses a week. So you can do medical terminology, medical billing, and you can start your ICD-10. You're just reading one chapter of medical billing, one chapter of language of medicine, one chapter of ICD-10. Okay, well, you're going to start with the guidelines on ICD-10. Okay, and that's after work. So I'm pretty sure you can do this in 10 weeks. Okay, and here are the courses right here. This is a 10-week program, and this is actually what's in the 10-week program. But you guys that are in my program who have that grant, you are able to do this class. You're able to do this class. You see everything that's in here? The same thing that's here is just more. Okay, unlimited one-on-one. Here, I think you get 6 or 4 one-on-ones on your grades, submission, archive chats, unlimited YouTube, everything. And you know what I used to lock the YouTubes for the class for the YouTube, but now I started unlocking them because a lot of people seem to have more access quicker than that's not a word than the Sapphire portal. But everything is still on the Sapphire portal. Okay, you get a little basic math, and that's just in case they give you a little math test in there. When you get ready for a job. Okay. Your CPC exam prep, you get all that with it. Okay, Sapphire Academy 6 week. There is a 6-week course. It's just medical billing and medical terminology. This is it right here. Okay, and I've done this website because you guys are having a couple of issues trying to get on the website. I don't know if it's because I'm using GoDaddy or maybe I'll find a better website to use. But I kind of been with GoDaddy almost more than 13 years. So that's why I'm still with them. And it's crap. I'm not even gonna lie, it's crap. I'm so sick and tired of it because it keeps either breaking or you can't get in or something. So bear with us. But right now I'm doing this until they can fix it. Okay. All right. So here's everything down here. These are all of my I'm going to start being more active in every single one of them. I'm going to be up tonight till about 2, probably 2:30, messing with this because I haven't marketed on it for a while, but we're going to start marketing on it, okay? All right. So hopefully I got to get like a one-on-one with them to see if they get this. They can't get this right, then I'm going to go somewhere else because you guys have to see this. And I'm going to do this. I'm probably going to do the emails in the Google. And then I'll keep the other one, physicians at Sapphire Coding, Google. Okay. So, but you guys can always email me at Lisa.Lambert, or Lisa Lambert at Sapphire Physician Coding. Okay. Online, Microsoft.com. All right. I put that in there. It's in the YouTube. So let me know, if you guys have any questions. Feel free to send me a text or send me a message so that you guys can go ahead and register. Basically, all you need to do is get the courses. Okay, and the courses, I have them on Shopify, which you can get Shopify. It's sapphirecoding.shopify.com. You can go on that. You also can purchase courses there, or you can just come at me at my Cash App. It's Sapphire PC831. Send me a message. Let me know so I can get you guys registered. We are starting tomorrow. I have started sending out the welcome packets. Make sure you guys look at the welcome packets. You do get an invoice, you get a welcome letter, you get a list of the courses, you get your one-on-ones, and we are doing one-on-ones tomorrow. So I'm going to start doing the one-on-ones tomorrow, okay, guys? But for right now, I'm going to be in YouTube. And again, these are for doctors, we do B2B, they can invite us to their facility. That's what this is right here, okay? And some of y'all who have your own business, I still use GoDaddy, I'm just messing around with it right now. And I'm pretty sure that this is on there, or I probably got a different one, but I just still have this one up, that's all. But like I said, we're gonna start with orientation. And you guys know I always start with orientation to kind of let you guys know about the program. And we talk about the books. When are you going to need those books? For the start of your course, you're going to use the language of medicine. And then once you finish with the language of medicine, now this is pending you're only doing one course, but you could do more than one course. Okay, but you got to have the books to do more than one course. Okay, so you could start with language of medicine, then go ahead and get your medical insurance billing books. Okay, that's going to help you with the course. Like I said, I would suggest you do at least 3 courses so you can go ahead and get through, and then I can start giving you your competencies. You guys got any questions? Let me know. Send me a message. Um, check out that stuff down below. If you guys need your credit looked at, look at some of those credit chats up there. And that's going to help you. But right now, I want you guys to focus on medical billing. So we want to keep this channel focused on medical billing, right? Keep this channel focused on medical billing. I don't want too much other stuff involved with this channel because it's all over the place. So we're going to stick to medical insurance billing. Okay. And, like I said, make sure you have your notebooks with you, just like you're in regular school. When you set the time, that's when you're going to do your work. When I give you your email for Sapphire portal, you can go into the portal anytime you want. You know when I'm in there, when there's a green check on my face up in the corner. And we're going to go over that as well. So tomorrow we're literally going to go over a couple of things. Tomorrow's one-on-one, but I'm going to go over those things because with your one-on-one, I got to show you how to navigate through the program. The videos that you see also on YouTube, those videos are also in the portal. Okay, so you can click on those videos from inside the portal. Okay, and I think I have some more I'm gonna put in there. I really don't have to, but sometimes you're in there and you guys want to click on a video. That's the reason why I keep it there. Okay, so this we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna post this in. You probably won't see this one until tomorrow. I'm trying to do the post before. I don't like to miss posts because you guys know I try to post at least every day. But what we will post is I'll probably do a short, but this is not a short. This is a long. Okay, so I'm definitely going to do a short for you guys. Okay, so I'm going to sign off and I'm going to see you guys again in the classroom. Let me see. I'll probably come on again. I'm probably going to come on again later on. But you know what? I have to start doing this thing for today, for tomorrow, and then tomorrow for the next day. I can't hardly do it. Sometimes when I do the video, I put it out there a couple of hours later. But they want me to put it out there for the next day, so we got to put it out there for the next day. Okay, I haven't even done the thumbnail for this one yet. I don't think there'll be a thumbnail. I think we're going to leave this just like this. I'll probably edit it then we'll see how we're gonna do it. I think I need to send it to my phone and then kind of edit it and then put it back on. All right, so let's end this chat. Don't forget, you guys send me a message. Class is starting tomorrow. You want to get in on it? Let me know so I can put you guys in on it. Okay. Bye-bye. As soon as we stop recording, right?